As the title suggests, that this video is created to help you in your assessment. The purpose of this video is to give you an example for calculating payback period, net present value, and seeing how the calculation of IRR works. Understanding them will be very helpful for your exam paper, particularly multiple choice questions and the other questions as well. So it's a short video, please do watch. So let's start from calculating net present value. Now, net present value is a method to find out that how much value we will achieve if we discount each and every cash flow, which is this, for a given discount rate, and then we see how much was the outflow and how much is the inflow, and I'll show you how. So this is a project which has on the time zero £100 million investment requirement. So you have to invest £100 million. So it's a negative sum. It is an outflow. Then so this £100 million is minus, remember that. Then from 1 to year 7 you will get inflows such as this positive figures: 25 million, 25, 25, 25, 10, 10, 10. Now the next task is to find out discount factor. Usually discount factor for each year, so year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, will be given to you in exam paper or in your assessment. Otherwise, open any book, and in that book you will find out a table called present value table, and look for the 10% interest rate and then number of years on the left hand side and 10% in the top row, and you will find this discount factor. Or otherwise, a very simple formula can calculate this for you, so which is equal to 1 plus 10%, and we want to keep 10% as absolute, raised to power minus number of years, which is this. So if you drag this formula down, these are your discount factors. So here 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 10% raised to power minus 1, 1 plus 10% raised to power minus 2, 1 plus 10% raised to power minus 3, and so on. The next thing is simply multiply this to this. Okay. For this, the discount factor is only 1 because it's 0, so it's 1. So simply here this multiplied by this, and all you have to do is equal to sum this whole thing, so minus 100, everything else is plus. Now this project has an NPV this much, minus 3.76. so this project NPV is negative, so we reject this project. We don't invest money into this project. Okay, now having done this, only one simple question: how can we make this project positive? Number one, if we have higher cash flows, let's say this becomes 50 million, it becomes positive. So if this project has higher cash flow, it becomes positive. Otherwise, if the discount rate goes lower, you see, so when discount rate goes lower, NPV becomes positive, or it increases. Okay, it increases when this interest rate or discount rate or required rate of capital decreases, NPV increases. So a negative relationship, and vice versa. Let's keep it to 10%. Okay, now next thing, now let's say here, because we have a negative here, so we want to make, now let's say how to calculate IRR. Now let's change this. Okay, we take this example to the next one, and all we do is out of it column, and then we copy another table from here, and we go here. Okay, so what we do now, we simply make everything clear contents. Okay, so now here instead of 25 million, let's make this 50 million, and everything else remains same. Okay, or even let's make this 40 million. Now again, the formula for finding discount factor is 1 plus 10%. 10% has to be absolute. It has to remain fixed in every row. So raised to power minus 1. Okay, just drag this down. Now this is this. So we simply, what we do here, we multiply this by this, this by this, and we have a positive NPV of 9.86 million. So to calculate IRR, remember this rule. So to calculate IRR, we have to find two NPVs. Number one, okay, meaning if first is positive, then second has to be negative.